Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the arc length. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. Ln of A over B equals to ln A minus ln B. Now we need to transform this one into this one. So we need to do first the derivative of y. So this one we have e to the power of s over e to the power of s plus 1. This one we have e to the power of s over e to the power of s minus 1. Next, we can apply the formula of the arc length. So we have the integration from a to b, and we have the square root 1 plus first the derivative of y to the power of 2, and we put about ds. Now a that is about this one, b that is about this one. First the derivative of y that is about this one, and now we need to calculate this one. So we need to expand this one. Next, we do common denominator. So number 1, we can change by e to the power of s plus 1 to the power of 2, and we have e to the power of s minus 1 to the power of 2 in here. So this one we can multiply by e to the power of s minus 1 to the power of 2. This one that is about e to the power of s plus 1 e to the power of s minus 1. And the last one that is about e to the power of s plus 1 to the power of 2. And now we need to simplify, and you got like this. So this one we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now if we try to simplify on numerator, we have e to the power of 2s plus 1 to the power of 2. And this one e to the power of s plus 1 multiplied by e to the power of s minus 1. We have the formula in here. So this one we simplify with the power 2 in here. So we know that the bounds from Ln number 7 to Ln number 9, they are positive. So if we put in here, you still got about positive. Now we can cancel the absolute value. Next, we need to multiply by e to the power of s on numerator and denominator. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have e to the power of s ds. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equals to Ln number 7, so we put Ln number 7 gone here to find the value of u. So u equals to number 7. When s equals to Ln number 9, so I will put Ln number 9 gone here, and we have u equals to number 9. So number Ln number 7 we change by 7. This one we change by 9. This one we change by u. This one we change by u square. This one we change by u square. This one with ds we change by du. Next, this one we can put into u minus 1, u plus 1. And now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over u, b over u minus 1, c over u plus 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u minus 1, u plus 1. So capital A multiplied by u minus 1, u plus 1. About this one, it is missing about u and u plus 1. So capital B multiplied by u and u plus 1. About this one, we have u and u minus 1. Next, we need to expand. Now, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. About u square, we have a plus b plus c because a multiplied by u square, b multiplied by u square, c multiplied by u square. About u, that is about b with u, c with negative u, and we have b minus c. About the numbers, we have negative a. Now we need to compare coefficients. About u square, we have u square, a plus b plus c equals to number 1 in here. We don't have u, so b minus c equals to number 0, and negative a equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. Now we can find the solutions of A, B, C. So A equals to negative number 1, B equals to number 1, C equals to number 1. So we put A, B, C go in here. So this one we have number 7. This one we have number 9. A we change by negative number 1. B we change by number 1. C we change by number 1. And now we have the final answer. And then we put the bounds from 7 to number 9. And now we have the final answer. So if we simplify this one, we have ln 35 over 27. And this one we have 0.2595 number 1. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.